Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curves. So today I am going to discuss about panties, which is a very important topic, but we females don't discuss it openly. So let's get started. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. So today I'm going to give you some instructions, some experience, what kind of panties do I wear, and how to choose a perfect panties for yourself. So the first thing you should always keep it in mind while purchasing is comfort is really very important. Those lacy panties or else thongs or g-strings, these are all fancy ones, but in what do you say, in regular basis they are no use. Now most of the websites or blogs do write that g-strings or thongs are very good for like body fitted dresses. They look very attractive, but in practical life, in our day to day life, I don't think so. It's so much worth spending money on these because we are not going to wear it at all. I can say it as experience. We are not going to wear it, and so you should more focus on control briefs than seamless ones, the boy panties ones, and also the hipsters. Okay, so these are really very important and very convenient ones. The second tip is look for your own size. Your own size is really very important. Like sometimes we do not measure ourselves while buying your panties, like your under thigh area, also your hip and the waist area. Okay, so you should measure it. Also you should see as to where you wear, like initially I used to wear it above my navel level, so that was like very uncomfortable for me. If you're going for hipsters, yes, you will wear it, but if you're going for the regular one, you're going to wear it onto your navel level or underneath that, not up. Okay, so that thing should be kept in mind as to where do you wear. So measure yourself that way. If you're wearing anything which is tight, it will not make you feel slimmer, but at the same time it will give you a very dirty or a very shabby look of your dress or whatever you're wearing. Okay, so see to it that you choose a very good one that is very comfortable plus your size one. So that's really very important. Now the third thing comes is the fabric. Now fabric is really very important. Mostly go for cotton. Satin is also a fancy one, and that need to be washed separately, plus it will not soak much of sweat. Okay, so satin I would prefer only for some fancy days, not like regular basis. Okay, so that's really need to be checked. Lace can also cause sometime itching, abrasions. So you can feel you can get into UTI also indirectly when these cause rashes and something. So please don't go for it on regular basis. Plus lace one, they get toned up very easily, so it's better to invest in something else. Also keep it in mind that the cloth, I don't know what it is called, but the cloth which is underneath, okay, that should be two, not one. Okay, so that should be kept in mind. Like I don't know how to explain, but जो कपड़ा रहता है जो बीच में रहता है, that should be two, not one, so that it soaks all the secretion and whatever. Okay, and you don't feel like itchiness and it doesn't get torn easily. Plus you should also keep it in mind of duration of you are using a panty. Like mostly it should not be used more than 2 to 3 months. After 3 months, change. Okay, that's really very important. Also you should keep some, like according to your dresses colors and all these things. Like if you wear white jeans, keep something which is beige in color. It doesn't have any polka dots or flower. It should be the plain one. And if you're wearing something dark, so a dark panty will go. During period time also, there should be some panties which should be kept only for periods, which are dark in color and not light in color. So these things are very important. Now if you want to hide your tummy, okay, if you have little bit of tummy fat, that. So it's very important, either go for the hipsters or else you can also go for the control briefs. Now these control briefs, I would link it down some of the options so that you get an idea of kind of this panties, and you can buy for yourself also. Now control briefs, yes, they do are little expensive. Like if you see, I got it from Australia last year, and I'm looking forward here in Indian market, but you get it here for 500 to 300 rupees like per panty, but they are really very good. They shouldn't be worn regular basis, but if you're wearing something high waisted, like high waisted pants or else skirts, and you don't want your tummy to be seen, so that time you can use these. Okay, they are really very good ones. And on regular basis you can try hipsters. Now Marks and Spencer has really very good collection of panties, and the cloth is also, the material is also really very good. Plus they have schemes going on, so you need to check their undergarments section during schemes, because then you get pack of 5 in around 300 to 400 rupees. That's really very convenient. Even Max has good panties, so you can check it out that also. And really it's very important to invest in something which is really good. Okay, don't invest in anything or fancy things that's not in practical basis, that cannot be worn every day. Okay, now the last point which comes under panties, that should we wear it during night time or not. Like I used to wear it always during night time also, but recently after talking to my mother and my mother-in-law, they both shared their experience, and they have told me that not to wear during night time, because it's really very convenient and it avoids itchiness, rashes, many infections. So I avoid wearing. Plus at the same time, when I go to my workout, or I keep on changing in every 3 to 4 hours. Like I change twice or thrice in a day also, so that is also done by me, so that it avoids infection and that sweatiness. So these things should also be kept in mind, that you need to wash them regularly, use a new one, and you can change it once or twice in a day. And also not to wear during night time. These small tips also helps a lot. Even panty liners, in that case, when you are having a very long day and you cannot change, like those who are going on office on regular basis, or whenever I travel for shoots like long days, panty liners are very convenient during these time, and they help a lot. And even you need to check, like in Marks and Spencer, there's one thing, that the down cloth, okay, the cloth which is down, the width of that cloth is really very small, so that need to be checked. It shouldn't be as small as you can't even hold, it cannot even hold a pad. During these time, these things should be kept in mind. And I hope you have enjoyed this video too. So do subscribe to my channel, hit the button like, and stay connected for more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. And you can check down, like in the description box, all the links will be given where you can buy and get ideas of different kind of panties for yourself. Okay, bye.